Okay, there is the unit for the X-ray. We have here a controller to protect everything around. So this is a misconnection in between the X-ray controller and the entire unit. So in order to start the system, we have to press the reset button. Therefore, the light turns on to say ready. And just need to start the X-ray system. Have a pre-warning and the light. Stop X-ray on, and the X-ray turns on right away after the warm-up. If for an instance the bulb burn out, the system will stop and will indicate there is like a fault in the system, and the system stops right away. Either or, the yellow light or amber light and the red light, if they are burnt, it will stop right away. So, in order to start over again, you need to reset the system. You press reset, and then you're ready to start. So you're going to hear the warm-up. Give it time. There is no X-ray this time. Still in the current stuff. Now we have X-ray on operation. You can control your X-ray. You can do whatever you want. There is a problem. You just kick this thing. System stops right away. And that's it. That's quite simple. So in the system now we have to turn this unit to remove the reset. You have the reset button. You have test lamp. If you look at the lamp now, they're turning on. So you can see if lamp is working. If for an instance you miss connection, you do a misconnection somewhere, it's not connected properly, and you want to start, even if the system says ready for this part, you'll try to turn on, it will not turn on. So you need to be connected to really get there. From this box has to be connected to the controller. There was like the 220 volts supply. So instead of plugging your power line here as you normally did, you have to connect your cable into this controller. And these two leads plus your X-ray lead tubet. As it right now, I'm using a kind of a fake of a tube, but it works, so it's a simulator tube. And that's quite simple, so everything has to be interconnected. There's no way you can mix-match things, and that's simple as that. So that's about what is the system. Hopefully you enjoy it. Have a good time. If you want to see inside, this is the controller system. So you have a microcontroller code and all that. Everything is there to do what we need to get done to accommodate safety code 34. Another thing I didn't show, but this is quite easy. Disconnect that. Simple as that. You want to transport it safely, you can remove this part. And you do what you want with your stand. You can flip up and it will come very short. You reassemble that back, quite simple. There's a hole here. Snap that thing in place. Now everything is solid. You install your cable right there. That's it. That's all for today.